Hey guys, John at Chrysler in Louisville with a 2021 4xe Wrangler. Had a customer come in the other day and they've done a lot of homework online. What's going on is their car is dropping into park and will not come out of park. The homework they did online told them that it was a huge problem. Dealerships were replacing all these different harnesses, trying to figure it out. When we contacted Chrysler about it initially, they said it needed a new $14,000 battery. Now that's actually under warranty, so it wouldn't have cost anything, but we were worried about parts availability in this crazy time we're in. Wanted to make sure the car was done in an adequate amount of time. So we dove into it, and what we found is that the customer had taken their door off. So to get your door off, all you do is drop a little door here, and there's a little actuator pin you flip back. When they had put it back on, it had scooted one of those pins to the side. So if all your doors are off, the computer recognizes that they're off, and they go ahead and know not to mess with the doors. They know they're not there. However, if they're on and your door is open, your car's gonna want to go to park because it thinks it's not safe. So that's what was going on. The computer thought that the door was open, which is why it was staying in park. Just a little tip, if you're bumping into the same issue, it might not be the end of the world. It might just be a small wiring issue with your door. We actually didn't have to order parts. We just straightened out the pin, problem solved.